All right, it is time for math. So let's see what we are working on. It is all about numbers up to 5. Okay, up to 5 we're working on. So it would be awesome to sing all the songs that you know about 5. Like the most famous one, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So how many just fell off? 1. Laying there on the ground, his head hurt. Had to go with Mom. Oh, Mommy. How many are still on the bed? 4. How many monkeys is that all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's still 5 monkeys, but now 4 of them are still jumping on the bed. And 1 is hanging out with Mom because its head hurts. No more jumping on the bed, right? So any of those songs, you can work on your fingers and showing numbers with your fingers and how many to 5, okay? And in the class, we're going to be working on using this mathematical tool called the 5 frame. And on this 5 frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, there are how many dots? There are 4 dots. And you would try to show that on your fingers and work on that. So there are 4 dots. And how many squares are empty? There's 1 empty square. It's kind of looking like the monkey song. So I have 4 black dots, 1 square empty. How many is that all together? 5. Okay, so we're going to be working on flashing those numbers with those 5 frames and getting really quick at knowing what those numbers are and working on what those numbers look like with our fingers and also practicing writing those numbers. So ways to practice this would be, and what we'll be doing, is using this game here that is called Interacting with the 5 frame. Okay, and then we'll be playing 2 games called Beat You to 5 and Which Numeral Will Win. So let me show you what those look like. So the Interactive 5 frame is a website that you work on how many to 5. So here it asks how many circles are there. So I would either just click it down here or type in the number. 0. Ooh, how many squares are empty? So it's not asking for the circles. So now I have to count the empty squares and put in 2. How many circles are there? There are how many circles? 3. Okay, and then I can click on different ones to do. So it wants me to move 1, so I can move 1 and done. I could fill. How many more do I need to fill it? Well, none. It's already full. Okay, so there are different ways to practice here. Then the game that we'll be playing in class is called Beat You to 5. So here are the directions of the game. You can read through that. If you go down here to the lower right-hand corner, you would click on another page, and up comes a game for you to play. So let's say you have to play against someone. So let's say this is me over here, and this is you over here. So here is you guys, and here is me. So let's see who wins this game, okay? So I start by spinning. I got 1, so I get to take a Unifix cube and put 1 here. And I'd ask, how many more do I need to beat you? Well, I need 4 more. Okay, your turn. And when you go, you got 1. Oh my gosh, you got 1 also. And how many more do you need? You need 4. Now I go, and I got 2. Oh gosh, now I'm going to use a different color so that I can still see what I got in my first turn and I can see what I spun on my second turn. So now I have a total of 3 because I had 1 on the first turn, 2 on the second turn, which gives me 3. And how many do I need to win? 2. So man, so many mathy questions you could ask here. And you got, oh my gosh, it was close, but you got 2 also. So you are the same as for me right now. You got 1 and then a 2, which gives you 3, and you have 2 more to beat me. I got 3. Now, I can't go. I actually lose my turn because 3 is too much. Oh no. So now I go, or you go, and you got 1. So you're looking good. You got a 1 on your first turn, 2 on your second turn, 1 on your third turn, which gives you a total of 4. And you have how many more to win? 1. It's my turn. I could win this right here. Oh, but I didn't because I got 0. So now it's your turn. And you got 0. Oh my gosh, see? Good game. Now it's my turn. And I got a 1. So I've gotten a 1 on the first turn, 2 on the second turn, 1 on the third turn. Gives me a total of 4. I only need 1 more, but you do too. So here you go. And you got 3. It's too much. I got 1, and I got my 1 more, and I got 5. So I won the game. Okay, that just beat you to 5. The other game to play is called Which Numeral Will Win. So here again is how to play. You go down here in the lower right-hand corner, go to the next page, and here's working on writing numbers to 5. So super simple, I just spin the spinner. I got a line, so I spin again. I got 5. Oh my gosh, 5 is winning. I would trace the 5. And 5 is winning because it has 1 square trace. The others have none. So now I spin again. And I got a 3. So now 3 is coming into play. I trace the 3. The 3 and the 5 are tied. Okay, whoever makes it to the final square first wins. So which number will it be? Okay, so have fun working with numbers to 5 and counting numbers to 5, singing those songs. All right, math it up, everyone, with numbers to 5 and working on those fingers. All right, bye.